Hi friends, Suzanne here with a new mini-series called Crafting at the Lake House. I started this one-day local retreat back in 2019 and was finally able to open registrations for this fall of 2021, with more planned for the new year. So if you're local, I'd love to have you join in. Registrations will be on my blog, sunstampin.com. I asked a friend and fellow demonstrator, Terry, from carddesignsbyterry.com to help me with the event. We split the work, the costs, and brought together our local crafters for a first-class event. In this series, I'm sharing a dozen card designs we created for the make and takes at the event. Fair warning, some products are from the last celebration, so if you are looking to recreate, you may have to substitute. Here we go, folks, with the last and final card for the Crafting at the Lake House mini-series. I hope you've enjoyed it. This is a Just Jade card base, and we have, and it's 4.5 by 4 1/4, scored at 4 1/4, and these basic white card pieces that I'm putting in are 4 by 4. So this is a square card, a 4.5 inch square card. One is the outside here, and one of the basic white pieces is the inside. So this was a really cute and fun and very quick card to put together. My friend Terry designed it. And we are going to feature I don't have the stamp set here, but it is the Penguin Place. We also used his designer series paper from Celebration here. So obviously, if you wanted to duplicate this card, any designer series paper would do. The sentiment says, be cool, be chill, be merry. And that is stamped on a little basic white strip. I'm pretty sure that it is like maybe 3/8 of an inch, if that. The ends were flagged, as you can see. And then there's a little bit of a dimensional strip that I put on here. So, and I call these the bones. They're like leftover pieces from your Stampin' Dimensionals, and I never throw them away because sentiments like this are perfect for that, because they're nice and long and it's going to hold up in the mail. So here I have inked up my little penguin with Memento Tuxedo Black ink. And by the way, that was the same ink that I did the sentiment in. And then I'm using, I think this was pumpkin pie for the beak and the feet. Are they fins? They might be fins. They possibly could be feet as well. I'm not even sure if penguins, do you think they have knees? I don't know. It's one of those things that I ponder when I'm trying to go to sleep at night. All right, so I've punched out. This is the absolutely cutest, cutesy kind of card. Totally not my style, but it is Terry's. She has youngsters in her life. I do not. This is a little trick if you need a little bit of help to get your paper in a punch. You just put it on a Post-it note and it has a little bit better reach. Terry made us all fussy cut the scarf here. So hence I did that. And I did cut it out of the video, so you're only going to see a little bit of fussy cutting. All right, here is the scarf. And I'm going to put make my desk clean again and then start assembling the cards. So dimensionals on the back of the penguin. I'm also going to dot glue on its fins or feet, depending on the anatomy of a penguin, which I do not know. And then we have we're going to glue the scarf on. And we are also going to apply some opal rounds. So basically that is it, you guys. Of course, you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video see more section or in the supplies section of my blog. Those fast links will take you to my Canadian online store. I'd love the chance to meet you and earn your business. And I do appreciate you hanging out with me through this very long mini series, but like I said, we'll be back to regular broadcasting next week. Okay, bye for now.